Stefani Tan. I'm a founder and creative director of Jolie Clothing and Kana Studio. As a little girl, I always loved to dress up. But back in the day, like 10 years ago, I was a little bit chubby. So it's really hard for me to find the perfect clothes that I could fit in, looks good on me. So there's the starting point that I feel like, you know what, why don't we make clothes yang suitable, let's say from skinny or let's say to chubby people, masih bisa cocok gitu. And I see that there's not a lot of good occasions wear yang available in Indonesia specifically. And along the way, as the companies grows, as like myself grow as a person, the way the styling also change. Like Jolie pun juga evolve into a certain style dari dulu sampai sekarang. And now we come to this batik collections, because especially I feel like batik itself tuh bener-bener heritage yang kuat banget ya. So I feel like how about we create batik, the real batik yang dari misalkan cap sama tulis, but we make it affordable. So that's the goal yang we are trying to aim right now, and also it creates the Jolie punya value, which is elegance and beauty as well. So yeah, the current collection right now, which is called Pusaka, is actually inspired by my opa's painting yang I literally just discovered this year, and then kayak my oma's batik. So I feel like I need to continue the legacy and then like be inspired with our parents and everything, and so that's where the inspirations comes from, and that's why I make this. And also like the collection juga inspired by my favorite story, which is inspired by my favorite verse, which is like, look at the birds in the air, they neither sow or reap, but your heavenly father still take care of you. So kalau kamu lihat misalkan di batiknya itu ada gambar burungnya gitu yang been taking care of, and ada gambar bunganya juga gitu. It gives me peace when I look at it. Jolie has been going through quite some times, and especially during the COVID, the pandemic era, we don't really have occasions, right, during pandemic. So the thing is like, unfortunately, our clothing itu is not needed back in that day. But I see like there's a gap, which is like the sportswear, the athleisures, yang waktu itu aku personally juga aku main golf and tennis. So I see like, you know what, why don't I create my own clothes and then like kayak can sell it to people. So that's where the bird of Kana Studio coming. I do hope through our brands itu kita bisa bantu community juga. Jadi itu sebenarnya tuh sekarang tuh untuk nyari pembatik yang bagus tuh udah susah sejujurnya. Unless like you are the top of the market, and then the price is gonna be really expensive. So maybe in the future, I do hope kayak we can have a community village yang kita bisa kayak naungin ibu-ibunya, bisa ngajarin. Even like other brands looking together and then kayak make a community together and then like bener-bener ngebanggain Indo bareng-bareng sih.